you balance commercial appeal with artistic authenticity when creating music?
Medyo kinakabahan ako. First time ko po kasi sa ganitong klaseng panel. I never had a chance to explain how I work. But to answer that question, I think yung commercial appeal naman po versus authenticity, hindi naman sila parang antonyms. Kumbaga, directly na, kumbaga yung isa, pag ganito ka, ganito na yung isa.
Hindi siya mutually exclusive.
I think yung commercial appeal na cheap siya through clarity kapag maganda yung hooks mo, yung rhythm ng kanta ko, yung beats mo, pero yung authenticity, lumalabas siya dun sa storya mo, yung kung paano may kukwento yung storya. So, definitely yung authenticity, it can be interpreted in different ways. So, kumbaga, kahit ito yung mensahe mo, pwede mo siya gawin hip-hop, pwede mo siya gawin rock. So, it comes in different ways. Pero, ayun, kumbaga, kapag tinanong ka in terms of clarity or maybe yung commercial appeal, syempre, you develop something that could really catch the attention of people. Tapos yung authenticity, susunod na lang yun. Kumbaga, kapag sumusulat ka naman, it's based on your experiences, diba? It's based on your conversation with people and what you watch, what you've seen. Ayun, ganun yung proseso namin sa pagsusulat.